How to sign into Snapchat without phone number. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to sign into Snapchat without using a phone number, you can follow the simple steps. Go ahead, open your Snapchat application, tap on login or switch account. Once you're in the login portal, go ahead, enter your email address or username which is associated with your account, and in the next field, enter your password. If two-factor authentication is on, Snapchat may send a code to your email if no phone is linked. But if the verification code goes to the phone, you can tap on try another way or forgot your password and then try it through your email address and tap on forgot email or can't get the code and then go to Snapchat support. Go ahead, open your Google Chrome web browser, search for support.snapchat.com. And here simply enter your username, email address, your phone number, and simply explain your issue that you no longer have access to your phone number which is associated with your account and get help. Snapchat will reply you within 24 to 48 hours or 2 to 3 business days. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.